Hello dear teachers, how are you all doing? I am Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthi from Teachconnect. Every teacher wants their lessons to inspire, but too often lesson plans end up in just another document on the desk. What if yours could become a blueprint for curiosity, creativity, as well as for lifelong learning? The course is for the teachers who want to bring the NEP 2020 vision into their classrooms. This course, which I am coming up for lesson planning, is a wonderful one. Whether you are a fresh graduate, a seasoned educator, or a school leader guiding your team. The truth is, many lesson plans don't work because they focus on the syllabus coverage, not student engagement. They miss life skills, inclusivity, and real world connection, and students lose interest in it. This course is a 10-module course. You will learn how to plan with clarity, creativity, and confidence. The course is Building NEP-aligned lesson plan. This is a wonderful course. This NEP-ready lesson plan is a complete course. In this module, you will start by understanding the why behind lesson planning. You will set clear and measurable outcomes, the strategies, the assessments at the end. Of course, the certification is also there. Integrating values, life skills, interdisciplinary learning will all give a structured lesson planning to you. Before, your lesson plans might have been just forms to fill. Now, they are going to be documents where the strategies are meeting the design. The diverse learners will feel that they are a part of the program. The course is built on real classroom experiences. NEP 2020 gives us guidelines and proving teaching strategies that have worked for hundreds of educators. You will have that confidence once you complete this course. Join us in Google Classroom today for NEP-ready lesson plan. Let us transform your lesson planning, and your students' futures is in your hands. Let us build the students' future all together. Therefore, join us on this course, Building NEP-ready lesson plan, a complete course. Thank you so much. The description box has a link in it wherein you can click on that link and you can register for this course. Thank you.